guys, probinsyanong trader na naman. So gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung bago kong na-discover na magandang project. Ito yung Bloom kung ano siya i-pronounce. So by the way guys, yung founder ng Bloom is former employee of Binance, the top one centralized exchange in the world in crypto space. So ito yung post ng founder way back March 1 this year. Exciting news, the time has come to unveil what my team and I have been tirelessly working on, introducing Bloom, a hybrid exchange revolutionizing the way you trade. So ang project nila ay I think Web3 na. So access NE6 or DEX token and simplified derivatives through a Telegram mini app. It's the flexibility you've been waiting for. Our hybrid model is a breakthrough featuring off-chain order book, on-chain settlement, and both centralized or self-custody options. Seamlessly trade directly from MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Universal token access is here. We automatically list tokens with sufficient liquidity during from a wide range of exchanges and protocols. Your getaway to the crypto universe now wider than ever. Trading via Telegram just got a major upgrade. Dive into our unique mini app with a mobile first design and integrated gamified mechanics for unparalleled. So kung gusto mong maglaro din na pwedeng kumita or magka airdrop rewards ng mga token, so yung project nila is pwede ka ding maglaro through their integrated gamified mechanics. Then aside from that, pwede ka ding mag-trade kasi nga centralized exchange na sila and decentralized exchange as well. So stay tuned for more updates and get ready to dive into the future of crypto trading with Bloom. Follow us on Bloom Crypto for the latest news updates. So yun ang post niya guys. So syempre I've been doing trading since 2021 and medyo mahaba-haba na din yung experience at medyo mahaba-haba na din yung knowledge ko, but I'm not successful fast sa crypto trading, but in terms sa experience and knowledge, medyo marami-rami na din yung knowledge ko at na-compare ko din yung mga centralized exchange between decentralized exchange. So merong disadvantage, meron ding advantages. So yun lang muna guys, kasi throwback lang naman to ng mga post. Ang ganda na ng ano nila ngayon. So yung website nila at yung gamified, so tapos na yung gamified at nakalaro na din ako. Sobrang ganda guys at sobrang innovative na yung project nila. So I'm more bullish of this project, and very soon I'm sure ang daming maglalaro dito at ang dami ding magte-trade kasi maganda yung project nila at long term wise is sobrang dali na lang mag-trade at maglaro. Mas mai-enjoy mo while trading and you play as well, mag-enjoy ka. So thank you for watching guys. I hope marami kayong natutunan. See you in my next video. God bless.